WhatsApp has added a new features allowing users to add AI background to their video calls and to come up with filters. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use AI call backgrounds on WhatsApp. So for you to be able to use these features on your WhatsApp, you have to make sure that your WhatsApp is fully up to date. Make sure your WhatsApp is updated to the latest version from the Apple Store. Then after that, you start a video call on your WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp, select a contact and tap the video calls icon. Access the background settings during the video call. So you can only access these new features when you are connected to a video call, not when you tap to call. But you also wait for the other users to accept your call. So with this, you can now access these features while you are on call. Look for a background icon on a settings menu, usually a 3-dot icon. Enable AI background, select a visual background or enable a AI background blur or replacement. Adjust as you need it. Just make an adjustment. You can also select as many as you want. So with that is how you can use AI video background on WhatsApp. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.